What if I told you that some of the weirdest science experiments in the world can be done right in your kitchen? Today, we're diving into experiments that will blow your mind, and they're completely safe when done right. First up, the dancing oobleck. Mix cornstarch and water, and you've created a non-Newtonian fluid that acts like both a liquid and a solid. Pour it on a speaker playing bass-heavy music and watch it dance. The vibrations make the mixture form bizarre, tentacle-like structures that move to the beat. But here's the crazy part. Try to punch it, and it becomes as hard as concrete. Next experiment. The invisible fire rainbow. Take a CD, some water, and a flashlight. In a dark room, shine the light through the water onto the CD at different angles. The microscopic grooves in the CD split the light like a prism, creating a spectacular rainbow that seems to float in midair. But why does this happen? The same principle that makes oil slicks look colorful. It's called diffraction. Here's one that will make your friends think you're a wizard. The levitating match. Balance a match on a pin, light it, and watch as it slowly rises into the air like a tiny rocket. The heat creates an updraft, and since the match is perfectly balanced, it actually lifts off. It's the same principle that makes hot air balloons work, just on a tiny scale. Want to see something really weird? Try the color-changing milk experiment. Pour some milk in a plate, add food coloring, and touch it with a cotton swab dipped in dish soap. The colors will explode into a psychedelic light show. This happens because the soap breaks down the fat molecules in the milk, creating a crazy chain reaction of colors. Last but definitely not least, the elephant's toothpaste. Mix hydrogen peroxide with dish soap and food coloring, add a special catalyst, and boom! A massive foam explosion erupts like a colorful volcano. This reaction is so powerful, it actually creates its own heat and steam. Remember, while these experiments are amazing, always have adult supervision and wear proper safety gear. Science isn't just about learning, it's about discovering how incredibly weird and wonderful our world can be. Want more mind-bending experiments? Hit subscribe and let me know in the comments which one you're trying first. Stay curious and keep experimenting.